Hi everyone, I am Agrima.
And I'm Tavishi.
We recently visited Vietnam for an 8-day trip. And in this video, we are going to talk about our most favorite experiences, the places that we liked, and the places that you should travel to. So number one is a day tour to Ninh Binh. Ninh Binh is basically 2 hours away from Hanoi by bus. वहाँ पे करने के लिए क्या क्या चीजें हैं? You can visit Mua Caves. You can
boat ride.
do Trang An Cave boat ride, and you can visit a lot of pagodas, which are temples. वहाँ पे. So these are the 3 things. Which one was your? I was about to ask you the same thing. मेरा favorite, I guess it was Trang An Caves because the boat ride was so beautiful.
Yeah, it was very serene.
Yeah.
Very peaceful.
Very
tranquility.
Yeah.
भाई मेरे को तैरना नहीं आता भाई मैं गिर गई तो
Okay, so now second thing, if you are planning to go to Vietnam, then for sure you must have researched about this, seen it almost in every other reel and every other YouTube video, which is Train Street in Hanoi. So yes, it is a very touristy spot, but we will not recommend to skip it. So basically the hack that we have is you put up this specific location that we found, a specific tailor shop. We'll put it up on the screen right now and put this on Google Maps. This will direct you towards the south entrance of the train street. So basically in that area you won't find as much of crowd, and
you can get pictures clicked on the tracks and बहुत ज़्यादा वो टूरिस्टी एरिया है बट वहाँ पे क्राउड ज़्यादा होता नहीं है.
हाँ, first thing, if you're reaching Hanoi, first thing in your itinerary should be go to this train street,
and check the train timings.
Check the train timings, ask the locals around, and then plan out your day as accordingly. There would be a chalkboard जिसमें सारे train timings लिखे हुए हैं, so you can probably just click a picture of it and get back to train street whenever you want.
Also, one thing that we really liked was creating your own souvenir. So basically, वहाँ पे Hanoi beer मिलती है. You take the beer, उसका जो ढक्कन होता है वो आप track पे रखो. When the train passes, it's flattened.
Yeah.
And then you can take that home as a souvenir. So we really liked that. It was a good experience overall.
Yeah, I liked it. I liked Train Street. I won't say you skip it. Just be smart enough when you plan it.
Yes. So the third one is cafe hopping in Hanoi. Hanoi has, I guess, beautiful cafes. बहुत सारे themed cafes हैं. हम एक Hobbit themed cafe में गए थे. उसका नाम क्या था? Cafe Jiao. Then we went to Always Cafe, which was a Harry Potter themed cafe. Look at that face. We loved it. Then Note Cafe, जहाँ पे every wall, every chair, everything was filled with notes from people all over the world. It created a lot of, very heartwarming सी feeling थी, and it created nostalgia because सबने अपने notes लिखे हुए थे. People had written about their loved ones, their experiences, if they're solo traveling or they're traveling with someone special. I guess 2-3 floors थे उसमें, and every wall.
Halong Bay, but we did not go to Halong Bay. We went to a better place called
Yes.
So basically, Halong Bay is the place where you go do kayaking, you do snorkeling, and we did a little research and we found out that Halong Bay now has become very touristy, very dirty, and a better option would be Lana Bay, which is right beside it.
So Halong Bay starts from there. Okay. And this is Lana Bay.
And to visit Lana Bay, we went to Cat Ba Island and we stayed a night over there. To reach Cat Ba Island, you have to take a bus from Hanoi, then you have to catch a ferry, then you catch another ferry. Another bus. Yeah, you catch another
reach your hotel.
Bus to reach your hotel, And Cat Ba Island does not have taxi services over there. So either you rent your own motorcycle or...
Motorbike?
It's not called scooty, it's called motorbike.
or you can ask your hotel to make a pick up and drop service for you. And so basically then we stayed a night in Cat Ba Island, and then we booked a half day tour for Lana Bay, which luckily, because we were around Tet Festival, the entire tour was ours only. There were no other tourists.
हमने
at that
guide से
time.
पूछा how long are we gonna stay here? He's like your choice.
So we did some kayaking. We didn't do any snorkeling. So we did kayaking only, and yeah.
So next is watch Hanoi's water puppet show. It's an iconic Vietnamese tradition that dates back to 11th century. बहुत ही सुंदर शो होता है. Curtains होते हैं basically. आगे पानी है, पीछे puppeteers हैं. They are using sticks to create stories about rural activities, about kids, about
Love story.
sort of. That was a family story, but okay. Just don't forget about the audio guide. Because the show is in Vietnamese language.
We watched the entire show in Vietnamese.
Yeah.
And later on, after the show, we came out of the auditorium and then we saw that यहाँ पे there is a line, and we just went and see what this line was for. The line was for to get an English audio guide.
Yeah.
Okay, now if you are in Ho Chi Minh City and you're someone who is very much interested in history and also like war, then Cu Chi Tunnels is a must visit place, because you learn a lot about like American Vietnamese war, and how eventually like the Vietnam people protected themselves and also like retaliated back on the Americans on the Americans.
Yeah.
So basically it is approximately, how far is it from Ho Chi Minh City?
1.5.
Yeah, I think so. It's a 1.5 hour. Like you can book a tour, and preferably it's good if you book a tour, because it's genuinely like a place like this where there is so much history. It's good to have a guide who can make you understand how things happen here, what happened, etc., etc. And you can also get an English tour guide. So that was very convenient for us. Like our guide was very good in English actually.
Yeah.
He was very, very well spoken.
And the stories were also very interesting.
Very interesting, yeah.
We saw booby traps.
And we also tried, you can also try the tunnel. You can also try crawling in the tunnel. I think so there's a 10 meter
and there's
100
a 100 meter. Yes.
We did the 100 meter wala. And honestly, the tunnels are quite small. Like it is slightly claustrophobic. 100 meter mein hi we felt like, oh my god, like yeah.
But we were very proud of ourselves.
Yeah. And they'll also serve you pandan leaf, tapioca,
tea and
tapioca. So basically that was the food that these Vietnamese people used to eat and survive on,
because that is good for your energy.
Yeah,
levels.
tapioca had a very high.
So once you have that in the morning, they said that it'll keep you energized till the evening. And also we like shot with an AK-47.
Yes.
So you can do that also.
Yes.
It was a full packed adventure. Plus knowing about the history, like a full packaged experience for us. And that was our last day in Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam. So it was a pretty good experience.
Yeah, I liked it.
Next up is basketball ride in Hoi An. तो होयान वैसे ही बहुत सुंदर सिटी है. आई गेस हमारी फेवरेट जगह वियतनाम में होयान ही थी.
Yeah, 100%.
बहुत ज़्यादा, like it has a lot of things to do. You can try amazing vegan street food. Then you can explore the beaches. You can get tailor-made clothes in 24 hours. It's the tailoring capital of Vietnam.
Yeah.
What else? Like you can do a boat ride where you can release lanterns from the boat. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Town. It's beautiful. It has a lot to offer. Again, if you're traveling with someone special, kudos. हमने बहुत सारे couples देखे और हमने फिर एक दूसरे को देखा और we were like, okay, maybe next time. Also, रात को होयान is a completely different place. रात को वो party area बन जाता है, and there is one club. Oh my god, वहाँ पे तो like chairs दिन में अंदर होती हैं और रात को एकदम बाहर. There's 1+1. There are offers going on drinks. Like a lot of tourists are partying there. Everything is nice. And we stayed at Mad Monkey Hostel.
Yeah.
So Mad Monkey Hostel में anyway बहुत सारी अपने आप में activities होती रहती हैं. So keep inviting you down for activities, parties, free drinks. So if you're a solo traveler. So if you're a solo traveler or you're someone who's traveling with friends, Mad Monkey is the place to stay.
I really like Mad Monkey.
Yeah.
Okay, now the last touristy spot, I think so, I'll say, which was the Golden Bridge in Da Nang. Unfortunately, when we went over there, the weather conditions weren't as appropriate. It was raining. It wasn't heavily raining, but it was around rainy time, and because of that, there was a lot of mist. And Golden Bridge is at Bana Hills. And at Bana Hills, it's at Sunworld's
Sunworld Bana Hills.
Sunworld's, Sunworld Bana Hills. So basically, it's up in the hills, and that's why it was very misty. So we couldn't get like a very clear view of the Golden Bridge, but we still did manage to enjoy it because.
Yeah,
I thought that we will have some really nice, beautiful brunch date. But अब मुझे अपने बेड और गर्म कॉफी के अलावा कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
Again, it was because of the weather. There were not much tourists over there. Bana Hills in general, Sunworld's amusement park in general is very nice. Even the French village over there is very nice. We were just there at a very long time. So next time, if you're planning, make sure you check into the weather forecast because if it's rainy or misty, you won't really enjoy it to the max. But if you go around a good time where it's not raining, then for sure you will enjoy it because there is a lot to do over there. So yeah, I guess this is it. This is it for the video.
Yes.
I think so. That's all the places that we have covered and an experience as well. And I hope this video helps you guys. And Vietnam is for sure a country you should visit at least once in your life. Solo, with your friend, with your significant other, with your family, however it is. But you should visit it once, especially if you're an Indian, because we have very limited countries that are cheap for us.
It's very cheap. We are also going to create an itinerary जिसमें हम budget भी बताएंगे. Like it's very cheap. I guess 1.5 to 2 lakhs में तो you can have a luxury trip for 2 people. Like luxury, you mean it. Hotels were also very cheap.
And the quality of hotels, the hygiene, everything is very nice over there, and it's a good experience for Vietnam is a must for sure, for sure. So yeah, pro Vietnam.
इसमें वो डालना हो.
India number 1, Vietnam number 1. Aki Pado.
Okay, see you soon in another video. Bye.
Bye.